9th class student, exercise 8b, logarithm. First question, write in express in term of log 2 and log 3. First part is log 36. Do the factor of 36, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Log, write in exponential form, 2 as power 2 and 3 as power 2. Product rule is log 2 as power 2 plus log 3 as power 2. Power rule is 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. That is simplify. Second part, this time is log 144. Do the factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Write in bracket exponential form, 2 as power 4 into 3 as power 2. Product rule is 2 as power 4 plus log 3 as power 2. Power rule is power write the before the log plus 2 log 3. Second part is complete. Third part is 4.5. Log 4.5 log 4 upon 4.5, remove the decimal, divide by 5, 5 9 ja and 5 2 ja. Log 9 upon 2, do the factor 3 into 3 upon 2. Write the exponential form, 3 as power 2 and upon 2. Quotient rule is like 3 as power 2 divide 4 minus log 2. Power rule 2 log 3 minus log 2. Third part is complete. Fourth part is log 26 upon 51 minus log 91 upon 190. At first, we simplify quotient, divide 4, make b minus divide by, change into divide, 26 upon 51, 91 upon 119, log, divide into, change into multiply, 26 upon 51, change the reciprocal from the divide, upon 91, 13 2 ja, 13 7 ja, 7 1 ja 7, 17 ja and 3 ja. After simplify, we get 2 upon 3. So we write the log 2 minus quotient law, log 2 minus log 3. Fourth part is complete. Fifth part is log 75 upon 16 minus 2 log 5 upon 9 plus log 32 upon 243. At first, simplify log 75 upon 16 minus reciprocal of power law, log 5 upon 9 has power 2 plus log 32 upon 243. Log 75 upon 16 minus log 5 square is 25, 9 square is 81, plus log 32 upon 243. Reciprocal the quotient and product rule. So we write the 75 upon 16 minus 4 divide 25 upon 81 plus 4 multiply 32 243. Divide change into multiply. What is the change? 75 upon 16 multiply 81 upon 25 will be 32 upon 243. Now do the cutting. 16 2 ja 3 ja 81 3 ja 3 divided by 3, simplify the is log 2. First question is complete. Second question express a form free from logarithm. Remove the logarithm या write without the logarithm. First part is 2 log x minus log y is equal to 1. Reciprocal of the power from log x has power 2 minus log y, it is same. One value is will be log 10. Quotient rule, log x square divided by y is equal to log 10. Comparing on x square upon y divided by the upon, after write the one cross multiply, x square will be 10y. First part is complete. Second part is second part is 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to log a. Inverse of the power form, log make be x square and log y will be cube is equal to log a log plus 4 multiply x square y cube is equal to log a. Comparing on x square y cube is equal to a. Second part is complete. Third part a log x minus b log y is equal to 2 log 3. Inverse of power law, तो you write the log x has power a minus log y has power b is equal to log 3 has power 2. inverse of the quotient log x has power a divide minus y has power b is equal to 3 square is 9. Comparing on x has power a upon y has power b is equal to 9. After cross multiply, x has power a is equal to 9, y has power b. Second question is complete. Third question is evaluate. We find the value. First part is log 5 plus log 8 minus 2 log 2. Log 5 it is same plus log 8 it is same. Inverse of power law, you write the log 2 as power 2. Log 5 plus log 8 minus 2 as power 2 is log 4. Inverse of product and quotient, so you write the log 5 plus 4 multiply minus 4 divide. 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10. Log 10 value is equal to 1.